Hello and good day, Ma'am Jo. So for now, I am going to recite the 30 selected terminology and forest pathology. Number 1, acervolos, a mat of hyphae giving rise to short canidiforms, mostly packed together, forming a bed-like mass. Number 2, aflatoxin, a poisonous substance produced by Aspergillus sp in cereals, which is carcinogenic to human beings. Number 3, agar, a solidifying agent used in laboratory culture media for bacteria, fungi, and tissue culture. 4, allelopathy, a biochemical inhibition between plants caused by the release of various poisonous substances. 6, alternate host, a host among the two species upon which a parasitic fungus must develop into its complete life cycle. 6, Anthraphicus bacteria, a group of bacteria that possess one or more flagella located at each end of the cell. 7, Antagonistic symbiosis, an interaction between symbiont with one is harmful effect and the other. 8, Anthracnose, a plant disease caused by fungi, characterized by limited necrotic lesions on stems, leaves or fruits, and often accompanied by dieback. 9, antibiotic, a natural organic substance that retards or prevents the growth of an organism. 10, antibody, a protein molecule formed within the body of an organism to neutralize the effects of antigen. 11, antigen, a substance that stimulates the production of antibodies. 12, apposition, an open ascocard in which the hymenium is always exposed. 13, appressorium, an enlarged death shape of the structures within and at the tip of the hypha of the parasitic fungi from which entry is made into the host. 14, ascocarp, a floating body of ascomycetes containing asci. 15, ascospore, a haploid spore formed within the ascos following the sequential fusion and meiosis. 16, ascos, a sac-like structure generally containing ascospore. 17, otosystem, the ability of pathogen to complete its entire life cycle in a single host species. 18, autogenic theory of disease, a theory which states that the pathogen is a result of a disease and not the causal agent. 19, avoidance, the prevention of new pathogens from being introduced into the locality by planting species at times when the inocula are unaffected. 20, basidium, a club-like structure bearing of the surface typically formed basidius spores. 21, haploid spores formed with a basidium following sequential fusion and meiosis. 22, blast, a term applied to the sudden death of young and open buds of fluorescence or young fruits. 23, blight, a rapid death of the whole organs or parts of the leaves, including veins. 24, blotch, a dark mycelium appearing on the surface of the ineffective materials. 25, Bordeaux mixtures, a mixtures of copper sulfate, life and water, used as a fungicide to control downy, mildewed, and other fungi causing disease. 26, callus, an overgrowth of tissues formed into the response of an injury and all the plans to heal its wounds. 27. Conquer a restricted necrosis of bark and narcotical tissues of roots. Healing injury. 28. An injury caused by low temperature above freezing point which exhibits a pitted appearance. 29. 29. And 29 above freezing point. 29 and 29 chlorosis. Chromogen. An organisms which imports these things for the reason of its own pigments. 30. Class Acomcytes, a class of fungi capable of producing its organism within the ascus.